Hi, I'm Katie from What Katie Did, and we have two fabulous new beach pyjama prints just arrived. The first is this Surin print. Surin is a famous park in Japan, and the pyjamas actually came from the Far East and India, so this is kind of a topical print, and also Asian prints were really fashionable in the 20s and 30s, so again this ties in with that there. The second print is our abstract print, and this kind of brings things a little more into the mid-century. This is more of a 1950s print, and although beach pyjamas officially weren't in fashion in the 1950s, really they just changed their name to jumpsuits or overalls. During the 1920s, you have to remember it was just after World War I. When there was a World War, things move a lot faster than they would have done normally, and there were some women who decided that they weren't going to walk gently along the promenade with their parasols anymore. They wanted to run on the beach and let the sun reach their face and have some fun. So they started wearing their normal pyjamas as beachwear, and this moved on that the fashion houses then decided to cotton onto this and make the beach pyjamas themselves, and Coco Chanel is famous for being one of these early people who started to design beach pyjamas professionally. Our beach pyjamas are incredibly versatile, and going back in time a little bit, beach pyjamas or evening pyjamas were actually worn in the 1930s as an alternative to an evening dress, because the legs are so wide, they do give the appearance of a full-on dress, and we have had customers say to us they like the fact that it does look, unless you look closely, it does look like a long dress while you're still able to be a bit more covered up. I wear my beach pyjamas throughout the year. I wear them either with a cardigan over the top, or I even wear them with a jumper underneath. But I find, they're not just restricted for the summer, and I just find them easy to wear whatever the weather. We make our beach pyjamas in black cotton throughout the year, and this summer we've got two limited edition prints. We have the Asian inspired Surin, and then we have the 1950s style abstract prints, and they're both available online now.